is the pumpkin spice cheesecake. You guys can pull the recipe straight from Keto Chow website. Let's put everything in the bowl here. 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 cup sour cream. You want to get 1/4 cup pumpkin puree. The only ingredient in it is pumpkin. 1 teaspoon vanilla, cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon, and 1 scoop pumpkin spice caramel keto chow. I'm excited for this. This is pretty easy, pretty simple, you guys. You want your cream cheese to be nice and soft. This is so easy and so delicious. 20 minutes at a preheated 325 oven. It's supposed to be jiggly. Thank you, dear.
She made 2 batches because she liked it so much.
Oh my God, didn't you?
Oh
Here,
yeah,
hold this.
I'll take it.
We're ready for a taste test. Now it's a little bit warm on the bottom still, but I can't wait any longer. It smells so good. Okay, you guys, let's take a seat. Oh, man.
God, it smells so good.
Oh my gosh. That is the best, bar none. And I am not even kidding you. I am not kidding. Harry, you have got to try this.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Oh my gosh. What's it smell like?
Oh God, it smells so good.
Doesn't it have a caramel smell?
Yeah. Oh wow, that's got, I don't know how to explain that. Oh, it's fabulous.
Hey, stop.
What?
Quit eating my cheesecake. Come over here and get the camera, buddy. Just one more taste. Now, I know this will set up better once it's been refrigerated, but by itself, it's heaven.
That is so good.
Oh, it is. If you want to try Keto Chow for the first time, you're on a limited budget, but you want to treat yourself, please go get a couple single packets of the pumpkin caramel spice Keto Chow and treat yourself to this, you guys. No one will have this and say that it's a diet food. We're having this for dinner.
Oh, okay.
It's Keto Chow. You can have it for dinner. Man, Harry, too bad you're the cameraman. I'm telling you.
I know, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think? Huh? You think it's fair?